In this video, we are going to update our UN1CA ROM. So to update, you actually need the update file. So in my device, you can see at current, I have the file which is needed to update, which is an official open beta file. So let's go and see here. You can see this file was released on 8th of December 2025, and the ROM I have is actually released on 27th of November 2025, which was the same file I used to install in our installation video. You can see there is a difference in the build number which they signify which is the latest one and which is the older one. So what you have to do is you can either go by local update, which will fail, or you can do the side load. You have to send this file to your computer over here, and I will rename it to UN1CA underscore update so that I can write it easily and flash it. So here you go, I have just changed it to UN1CA update, and you have to copy paste this file into your SDK side, SDK platform tools. Once you have done that, what you have to do is you have to wait for it to get complete, and you will just go into the top bar where you can see this PC local disk C or D, and you have to write there CMD. So here I go CMD, and you have to hit enter. You will be having CMD open in there. In your device, you have to go into TWRP advanced and go into ADB sideload and swipe to start the ADB sideload feature and connect your device to your PC. And on your PC, on the CMD screen, write there ADB devices, and you'll see your device, and write there ADB sideload and the UN1CA underscore update.zip. Your device will start updating, and on the screen you will see the serving changes, and as it is changing you will see the progress bar. Not actually, the progress bar won't move, but you will see different things like patching system image, vendor and everything, and this process will take a while. It can take you from around 10-15 minutes. So yeah, what you have to do once that's done, you have to go there and you will see you get option to reboot to system. So now your device will restart, and you can clearly see that I've got the latest version. And don't worry, it won't wipe your data, but if you have any root, so I'll tell you, just disable all the modules. So thank you for watching, guys.